See? This is nice mango. See, we're trying to get this mango out. Look at that, how big mango is, right? It's too hot right now, but we try to taste if it's good to harvest. So, and there's also in the bottom, this mango is only you know, it's not tall as me, I guess. And look at that way down. And this is color purple. So the other one was there was a lot in this other side, pero yung iba hinarvest ko na, kinain yung hilaw pa. Pero may isa na naiwan ko, ibang klase ito. Minarkot kasi ito eh. 4 to siya eh. 4. Kasi kain kami. So we're gonna taste it. We're gonna taste this one. And where's another one here? See how big it is? Nasa ano na siya, sa bottom na siya oh. Ayun, ang laki. Pwede na siguro to harbison. Tapos yung isa na sa sa dulo. Tapos ito purple talaga o red. Tapos yung sa kabila naman. Ayun. Ayun. So tilawin naman. Kakainin natin to. So kakainin natin.
I'm gonna make sure the plant doesn't fly away.
Gloves naman si Manang. Pamitan na to. Dabong, aray, dabong pa siya guys. Dabong. Watch out. Tingnan mo guys. Ayan. Kinain na natin. Mukbang tayo. Ayun guys, sarap. Ayun na, kain. Dabong pa siya guys. Hindi pa siya pwede kuhaon. Babay, init na kayo.